Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable low power mode for Wi-Fi on iPhone. So for you to be able to do that, just open your settings app on your iPhone, then you make sure you click on the Wi-Fi option. So for you to be able to turn on low power mode, or for you to be able to disable low power mode for Wi-Fi, you have to make sure you stay connected to a particular Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to toggle on the Wi-Fi option, then I'm just going to get myself connected to my router. So you can see I'm connected right now. So I'm just going to click on this I button right after the signal. I'm just going to scroll down a little, then I'm going to turn off this low power mode. So I'm just going to disable it, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more.